So welcome to Java programming course. So till now we learn about introduction to the object-oriented programming and followed by the difference between POP and OOP and principles of object-oriented programming system. In this session we are going to learn about history of Java. So let's go to our topic, history of Java. Here Java is a computer-based programming language, also we call as a high-level programming language. It follows OOPS concepts. And here it was invented by James Gosling in the year 1991 with the support of Sun Microsystems. Already we discussed this concept in the introduction part. Okay, with the help of Sun Microsystems, this person James Gosling invented this, developed this Java programming language in the year 1991. And also, actually before developing this application, this person James Gosling, his motto is, I want to develop an application, write once, run anywhere. This is the motto of the particular language, that is write once, run anywhere. Means I want to write a program here, for example, I want to write a program, write a program, here I am taking Windows operating system. In this Windows operating system, I want to develop one application, for example, take csc1.java file. Why? Because for C we are saving it as .c, whereas in Java we have to save that particular file as .java. .java is the extension for our Java program. So here I want to develop, after developing this application, I want to run it on different platform. That is the motto of James Gosling. He is thinking in that way. I want to develop an application, same application I want to run on different platform. Here, here and here. For example, here I am using Windows operating system. For example, here also I am using Windows. Here I am using Linux. Here I am using Mac OS. Means I am developing an application, means write once. Here I am writing or developing one time, I want to use anywhere. So that is the beauty of Java programming language. This concept we called as Java is independent. So means if you are writing here, it doesn't depend on any platform. It can run on anywhere. So that is the beauty of Java programming language. So with an example, same thing. So why Java is a platform independent? This is the pictorial representation of Java is platform independent. So with an example I will explain this one. Here, for example, I am using Windows operating system. My file name is first.java. I want to compile here with the help of the compiler. This is the compiler. After compiler, I will get the what? Dot class file, also we called as bytecode. Bytecode. This bytecode, I want to run on different platform. Here, which operating system we are using? Windows. But I want to run on maybe Windows, maybe what here? Mac OS, maybe Linux. This is the possibility in Java. Why? Because that is the reason we called Java is platform independent. When we are going for any interview, they are asking about what? Why Java is platform independent? The reason is we can develop an application on one platform, we can run on any platform. So this is the example for Java is platform independent. So that is the motto of James Gosling, means what? I want to write a program once, I want to run on anywhere. So this is the motto of James Gosling. So first, James Gosling assign a name oak to the particular development of the particular programming. That is we call as a oak. Actually, why they assign the name as oak means oak trees are there outside the James Gosling office. Because of that simple reason, they called that particular developer language as oak, and followed by green and followed by Java coffee. There are some different stories are there. Actually, they said that Java coffee. The reason is, while they are developing that particular language, they consume lot of coffee. That is the reason they called this language as Java coffee. And in the year 1995, they released the first version of Java, we called as Java Alpha Beta version. I will explain the next slide what is the different history of all the versions of Java. 1995, Time magazine gives Java is one of the 10 best product of the particular year. Next, we go for the versions of Java. So these are the versions of all the different versions. In the 1995, JDK Alpha Beta first version is released, followed by different versions. JDK 1.0 is released in 1996 and followed by JDK 1.2, 1.3. So here you may get a doubt, sir, already one version is released, why we all the remaining versions are released? Here one version to version some of the features are added. Here when compared to this version, in this version some of the packages and some API development of libraries are added in this version. Same as in the next version also they added some more features to the previous existing version. So on all these versions. So next we go for, all these are handled by Sun Microsystems. This is very important. Sun Microsystems. Why? Because with the help of Sun Microsystems, James Gosling developed Java. So all these versions are maintained by Sun Microsystems. The next one is Java SC, means standard edition. It was released in the year 2006. Here from the year 2011 onwards, it was maintained and handled by Oracle Corporation. Why? Because in the year 2010, Sun Microsystems handled the particular Java to Oracle Corporation. Now Java is the subsidiary body of Oracle Corporations. So all these versions are released by Oracle Corporation, not Sun Microsystems. So here Oracle Corporation added rich set of libraries to all these versions when compared to one by one. When compared to 2011 version Java SC7, SC8 adds some more features. I will explain all the features in the coming lecture. Why? Because as an introductory class you are not aware of all the packages and libraries. Why? Because package concept I will explain in the unit 3. So in that concept I will explain what are the package, rich set of packages available in the version to version. Okay, so these are the rich set of packages provided in the all the versions by Oracle Corporations. So this is about the what? Java versions. The next, the latest version in the year 2020 or recently released version is Java Standard Edition 14. So this 14th version in our session, in our course, I am going to use this 14th version. Why? Because it has a rich set of APIs and also the packages. Okay, next one. Java Standard Edition 15, we are expecting that in the year 2020, in the same year, in the coming couple of months, in the September month of this year, they expected to release Java SC 15 by Oracle Corporation. So this is about the what? The versions of Java. Next we go for one more important concept. Actually our concept is history of Java, but one more important concept, that is editions of Java. There are 3 editions. Why? Because as a Java developer we should know about what are the different editions of Java. Those are J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. These are very important. Why? Because as a developer we can learn any one of the edition based on our development of our application. Based on our application we can go for either J2SE, J2EE or J2ME. Here J2SE means Java Standard Edition. It provides some of the packages like, for example, here java.lang package, java.lang and java.util. We have 18 set of packages. I am explaining this package concept in the unit 3. So this set of packages are provided by J2SE. Here whatever the course we are learning in this Java programming means J2SE, means core Java. We call it as a core Java. Generally in the outside world we are calling as core Java, advanced Java, one frameworks. J2SE we called as a core Java. So in this in this semester you are going to learn about J2SE, means core Java. So core Java means what here? Java Standard Edition. So it provides some set of packages. And next one is J2EE, means Java Enterprise Editions. Means with the help of these enterprise editions means we are going to develop advanced concepts like servlets, and next one EJB, JMS, JSP, Java Server Pages. All these are comes under J2EE. This is we call as advanced Java. So this is we call as a core Java. After core Java we shifted to advanced Java. The next one is J2ME. What is the meaning of J2ME, sir? Java Micro Edition, also we called as Java Mobile Edition. So this edition mainly used for developing mobile applications. Developing mobile applications are set-top boxes. Set-top boxes. So if you want to develop an application, that application comes under mobile as set-top boxes, we have to learn J2ME. So that is the reason, based on our application requirement, we go for any one of the edition. So J2SE is mainly useful for console applications. Also we call as a console and standalone console applications. For developing console application, what is the meaning of console applications? If you are developing an application, it will run on within the particular system we called as console applications. What is the meaning of this one? Here we are going to develop web applications. This is meaning of web application. What about this one? Mobile applications. Best example, Android. So if you want to develop mobile based applications, we have to learn J2ME. If you want to develop web applications, you have to learn about J2EE. If you want to develop a console applications, we call as a standalone applications, we have to learn J2SE, means Java to Standard Edition. So one more important, generally we are saying that client server communication, right? So this comes under client. Why? Because within the system only we can develop and run particular applications. This one we called as client server communication. Client server communication means from here to we have to communicate, or we have from here to we have to transfer the data or communicate to some other person, means client to server. Okay. So this is about the editions of Java programming language. Okay. So it was invented by James Gosling with the support of Sun Microsystems. The first version of Java was released in the year 1995. The latest version of Java is what? J2SE 14. So this is about history of Java. Thank you.